How to learn data science. Data science is a broad and fuzzy field. Data scientists are in high demand. As of 2020, the common information scientist in the US makes over $113,000 a year. Employees with data skills can help their organizations become greater data-driven or in demand across nearly any industry. Learn data science that will help you to discover the linkages between statistics, linear algebra, and neural networks. You could find yourself working in this well-compensated field. Benefits of learning data science. Data science is making a profession in the discipline has the most benefits for a professional than any different career in IT. 1. Problem-solving skills. Data science is all about solving problems on a large scale and these affecting the whole business. Thus, data scientists attain problem-solving capabilities which assist them to suppose analytically and approach problems logically. 2. Increased demand. Data science has an excessive demand for skilled data scientists. Data is treasured for every industry, and hence an expert can get a job as a data scientist in any sector. 3. More job opportunities in the future. The demand is on an upward trend, and learning data science will make certain you are never out of a job. Data collection sources are increasing each day, and so is the demand for data scientists. 4. Learn new skills. Data scientists want a lot of competencies to master data evaluation and interpretation. During your career, you will study more than a few abilities like leadership, communication and collaboration, and problem-solving skills. 5. Structured learning. The excellent benefit of mastering data science is that it has a structured studying program. You can accumulate different abilities online using sources like blogs, webinars, and by becoming a member of data science communities. Prerequisites for data science. Here are some technical concepts that you must comprehend about earlier than beginning to learn data science. 1. Machine learning. Machine learning is the backbone of data science. Data scientists want to have a stable grasp on ML in addition to primary knowledge of statistics. 2. Modeling. Mathematical models allow you to make rapid calculations and predictions. Modeling is also a phase of ML. It entails identifying which algorithm is the most suitable to solve given trouble and how to teach these models. 3. Statistics. The core of data science is statistics. Statistics can assist you to extract more intelligence and attain more meaningful results. 4. Programming. Programming is required to execute a successful statistics science project. The most frequent programming languages are Python and R-Python. It helps a couple of libraries for information science and ML. 5. Databases. A capable data scientist, you need to apprehend how databases work, how to control them, and how to extract information from them. Data science curriculum. When it comes to how to learn data science, the first step is understanding the structure of the data science curriculum. The data science curriculum is extensively divided into 5 sections. 1. Python, R programming. Python is a famous programming language. It is a fundamental section of the data science skillset. So, the knowledge of Python and R programming languages can be very helpful. You will be capable to apprehend how to run a Python program in special methods and problem-solving abilities using skilled programmers. You can refer to online resources like Python docs to recognize Python higher once you have the fundamentals down. 2. Statistics and linear algebra. Statistics is the major way to analyze data. It is an important phase of learning data science. Brush up on key ideas again, since these subjects are just as beneficial in machine learning. 3. Numpy, Panda, and Matplotlib. Using Numpy, Panda, and Matplotlib is a fantastic way to learn data science, and these libraries can be used for your non-public projects. 4. Machine learning. Machine learning knowledge of algorithms can be used for inspecting real-world data. The UCI-ML repository is a pleasant way to learn data science where you can work with toy data sets. 5. Production systems. Understanding an organization's computational systems will help your statistics analysis efforts. Some of the pinnacle systems you need to learn facts science encompass Oz, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Key technical education, tools, and skills. Data scientists generally need enough educational background. The education requirements for data scientists typically include an advanced degree in statistics, data science, computer science, or mathematics. While a specific job, most to all data science roles require at bare minimum a bachelor's degree in a technical field. There are several certification opportunities for this role, including Dell EMC DECA DS, MCSA, various SQL data engineering options, Microsoft MCSE data management and analytics, and certified analytics professional. Technical skills. Hard skills required for data science include data mining, machine learning, deep learning. It is the ability to integrate structured and unstructured data. Experience with statistical research techniques, such as modeling, clustering, data visualization, and predictive analysis, are also a big part of the roles. Some technical skills that could be acquired in the procedure of turning into a data scientist are R, Python, Apache Hadoop, MapReduce, Apache Spark, NoSQL databases, cloud computing, D3, Apache Pig, Tableau, Python notebooks, GitHub. Some of the soft skills required utilizing data scientists are attention to detail, problem solving, focus, communication, and organization. The data scientist's toolbox. Data science requires know-how of a range of massive fact structures and tools, inclusive of Hadoop, Pig, Hive, Spark and MapReduce, and programming languages that include SQL, Python, Scala and Perl, and statistical computing languages, such as R. Here's some popular data science equipment used today. SAS. SAS is specifically designed for statistical operations. SAS is a closed-supply proprietary software that is used by way of large businesses to analyze data. It uses base programming language for performing statistical modeling. Apache Spark. Apache Spark is an omnipotent analytics engine and it is the most used data science tool. Spark is mainly designed to handle batch processing and stream processing. It comes with many APIs that facilitate data scientists to make repeated get admission to statistics for machine learning, storage in SQL, etc. It is an improvement over Hadoop and can perform 100 instances faster than MapReduce. Spark has many machine learning APIs that can assist data scientists to make effective predictions with the given data. MATLAB. Using the MATLAB Pix library, you can create powerful visualizations. MATLAB is additionally used in photograph and sign processing. This makes it a very versatile tool for data scientists as they can tackle all the problems, from data cleansing and analysis to greater advanced deep learning algorithms. TensorFlow. TensorFlow has emerged as a well-known tool for machine learning. It is widely used for superior machine learning algorithms like deep learning. It is an open-source and ever-evolving toolkit that is recognized for its overall performance and high computational abilities. NLTK, natural language processing, has emerged as the most famous discipline in data science. It deals with the improvement of statistical models that help computers recognize the human language. These statistical models are part of machine learning and through quite a few of its algorithms, are in a position to assist computers in grasp human language. Python language comes with a collection of libraries called Natural Language Toolkit (NLTK), developed for this precise purpose. Skills wanted to turn out to be a data scientist. Finally, data scientists know how to get admission to and query many of the pinnacle RDBMS, NoSQL, and new SQL database administration systems. Data science career outlook. With millions of worldwide job openings, the function of a data scientist has one of the hottest jobs of the decade. While data science is present in all industries, the demand for data science is noticeably high in the technology, marketing, finance, healthcare, and gaming industries. However, certifications are one way for candidates to exhibit they have the proper skill set. In the coming years, there will be a need for 140,000 to 190,000 practicing data scientists. While data science professionals are rewarded for their particular technical skillset with aggressive salaries and amazing job possibilities at big and small businesses in most industries.